Bench accessories can increase your productivity and make the creating process much easier. Having a tool to hold your pieces can sometimes make all the difference. In this tool demo, learn to use the Smart Vise and see why this handy little accessory is the perfect tool for any jewelry bench. The Smart Vise is a multifunctional tool made of heavy spring steel with leather-lined jaws. This vise holds flat stock and other materials for accurate sawing, drilling, filing, and sanding. The lever allows you to open and close the jaws quickly to change angles and directions effortlessly. The Smart Vise easily slides into the slot on any jeweler's bench. If you don't have a jewelry bench, the Smart Vise easily clamps on to any table. Slide the vise on and tighten the knob on the bottom. On the top, there are 2 holes where you can permanently attach your vise to your table or bench. When the vise is attached, remove the set screw on the lever using the Allen wrench that is included. Slide the lever into the slot on the vise and screw the set screw back in. This will lock your lever into place. To open the vise, simply pull the lever towards you and the jaws separate. Add the stock you're working on and turn the lever closed. The jaws have now clamped tightly on your piece, and the leather that's lining the jaws ensures your piece will not mar or scratch. The Smart Vise works perfect for sawing metal. Because the vise opens so easily, you can move and rotate your piece in a matter of seconds. While sawing, having a sturdy workstation makes a big difference and helps you cut accurately. The Smart Vise also works great for filing. If you're working on a wide piece of wire or sheet, you can clamp your stock in and file the edges quickly and easily. This can help you get that perfect edge you're looking for. If you need to drill some holes in your project, the Smart Vise can help you hold your piece so your hole is not only the right size, but just where you need it. You can even use the vise when working with metal clay. Clamp your piece in and place a sanding tray under your vise. With 2 hands free, you can more accurately refine your piece during the creating process. Because the Smart Vise is all steel, you can even use the top as a bench block for hammering and adding texture to metal. Using the Smart Vise, you can increase your productivity on almost any jewelry project to make sure your pieces always come out beautiful. Visit our Learning Center at www.cooltools.us for more cool jewelry making videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and be sure to sign up for our email list to be the first to hear about new videos, products, contests, and other cool stuff from Cool Tools.